Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MB Pacific Horizon. Call sign DXYZ MMSI 548123456. Mayday, MB Pacific Horizon. Position 14 degrees 35.2 minutes north, 120 degrees 58.6 minutes east. We are on fire in the engine room. Fire is out of control. Require immediate assistance. 22 person on board. Prepare lifeboats. Over. Pan. All station. This is MB Pacific Horizon. Call sign DXYZ MMSI 548123456. Position 14 degree 36 minutes north, 120 degrees 59 minutes east. We have lost main engine power. Vessel is drifting. No more immediate danger to life. Requesting tug assistance. Over. Security. All station. This is MB Pacific Horizon. Call sign DXYZ MMSI 548123456. Navigational warning. Derelict wooden board adrift. Position 14 degree 34 minutes north, 120 degrees 57 minutes east. Vessel are advised to keep clear. Over.